All right, good morning. Good morning, Coach Burt. How we doing this morning? I woke up this morning with a little fire in my belly. You ever wake up on days like that? If you're a high D like me, it probably happens a lot. But you just wanted to get something done, right? You just wanted to move the ball down the field. You just wanted to finish strong. Well, a lot of people commit to things and then they decommit from things. They commit mentally, but they don't commit every day. And if there's one thing, last night I was talking to one of my friends and he said, man, what do you see every day in businesses? Why do they not do well? And I said, it's simple, man. They don't know how to commit and recommit every day. They don't know how to commit to a system. They don't know how to commit to a process. They don't know how to commit to effort. They don't know how to commit to making outbound calls. They don't know how to commit to follow-up. See, when I look at why somebody's not producing at the level they would like to produce at, it all comes back to one thing, man. They just cannot recommit every single day. And at the end of the day, guys, this is really what separates the top performers from everybody else. Right? Andy, Robin. There's no real secret to becoming successful other than if you do the research, it comes back and tells us that grit is the number one ingredient for success. Grit is the ability to get up and go get it. It's kind of a combination between a passion or belief in something and a persistence in something. And you may say it was conditioned early in people in life. See, my mom's on here. She conditioned me early to show up every day. But what about all the people who didn't have that? How do they build this muscle? If there's anything you guys should be learning from me, right, Daniel Hodges, it's literally just the ability to just keep going and keep getting up. So every day I get up and I recommit. And I recommit to my goals, and I recommit, Alicia, to my purpose, and I recommit to my outcomes I'm trying to drive. Okay? Every day when I wake up, man, I just get up and I just get going. And I just start creating, right? Object in motion will stay in motion unless acted on by an outside force. So what I do, man, is I just commit. I commit to my selling system. I commit to my follow-up. I commit to creating value for people, right? I commit to my family and the goals I have. I commit to my goals. And so every day you got to make this simple decision to recommit to something. Now, some of you don't have a selling system. Some of you have not found your purpose. Some of you are not on the right bus. Some of you are confused daily about what is a high value versus a low value. Some of you don't have a clear B. Some of you don't know your because goals. So therefore you just get up and you have what I call randomness in motion, which is another definition for confusion. Okay, so what I do, Brian Darling, is I wake up and I go, what's my level 10s? Who are my blue marlins? Who's in my red zone, right? What events am I planning, right, Sean? And I just push. And then throughout the day, things happen. People reach out to me. Will you speak at this? Will you do this? Will you do this? Can you do this? A new connection here. And the answer most of the time, Norma, is yes. Yes, I can do that. Yes, I'll be on that podcast. Yes, I'll come speak at that speaking engagement. Yes, I'd love to meet your people. Yes, I'd like to get on the phone with somebody. I'm open, I'm hungry, I'm humble, I'm open, I'm enlightened. And what that does is, man, it attracts opportunity in. And then bring value, man. Just bring value every single day to people's lives and help people move from A in their life to B in their life, Johnny Chandler. And eventually you help enough people do that, they're going to tell other people, and they're going to tell other people, and they're going to create opportunity, and that's going to create opportunity. And then you are going to be an object in motion that can't be stopped, folks. Like a locomotive, Tish. Like a locomotive. You're going to get up and you're going to get rolling. And Ryan Chikelli, action breeds action. Stagnation breeds stagnation, and money never follows stagnation, folks. So, I'm down in Florida, but guess what I'm gonna be doing? Zooms, coaching sessions, following up with people, putting deals together, because that's what I do, man. That's what I do. What is it that you do every day? All right, let's go get it today, guys. I'm Coach Burt. I got Purpose to Profit next Tuesday and Wednesday. I got couples retreats coming in April. I got an insurance business that's thriving with people. And it's time to go. It's time to go do something. It's time to get something together. It's time to put something going. It's time to get your locomotive going. All right, you guys have a great day. Recommit to your goals, your purpose, your be, your dreams, your focus. Man, freaking quit playing around and being casual with your potential. Let's do something. Something that matters, man. Let's go.
Before I get started, there is one very important question I have to ask you.
Coach Michael Burt, Monster Producer Academy CEO. He's a personal friend of mine.
What good is it to have knowledge with no desire? What good is it to have desire with no skill? What good is it to have knowledge and skill with no confidence?
A big part of activating your prey drive is finding and refining your talent. This is something that helps you get to the next place.
People are made up of 4 parts: a body, a mind, a heart, and a spirit.
You need to know you, and then you need to have an awareness, and sometimes you don't even know what you need.
So all 4 parts of our nature have to be clicking. Your hard skill solves my problem. The bigger the problem, the more money people will pay to solve it.
Everything is valuable to your future. What I'm really paying you for is your past.
A monster producer combines multiple skills to dominate a market.
When you get to wake up every day and do what you love doing, man, it is hard not to be motivated.
They think at a higher ordinance than everybody else. They want to create new things.
I have a conviction about me, and that's the conviction that you feel when I talk, when I speak. It comes across as passion.
You got to learn how to connect to another person at such a deep level that it moves them. You have goals, you have targets, but you don't have a sense of urgency.
They're going to exchange money, energy, they're going to raise capital, they're going to start new businesses, there's going to be joint ventures.
I think your purpose finds you. It is activated. The word activate means to initiate.
Discipline, which is a derivative of the word disciple, which means to give yourself to a person or cause you believe in. Do you believe in your future, yes or no?
When we know better, we do better. Finding the problem that you are uniquely qualified to solve, and you don't know what problem you really solve for whom, then there is no big financial exchange right there. You should leave here thinking bigger today than when you came.
And I want to shake your hand and look you in the eyeball when you make this decision. Thank you. We'll see you in the back. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.